Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody asked me a pretty good question. They'd sent a drawing to a customer with a bunch of measurements on it from the parallel dimensions tool. So I just made up a bunch, and they wanted to know, instead of clicking on this and deleting it, how could you delete all that parallel dimension tool and the text? Well, if you go to Edit and go to select all text and then hit delete, it's deleted all the text because the parallel dimension tool is a text. Now, let's say you want to just delete the parallel dimension tool measurements. So shift on that text, shift select that text, go Control C to make a copy. And then when you go to edit and select all text and hit delete, you can right click and paste, and it'll put that text back if you need that text, but it'll delete all the measurements. Pretty cool tool. Hope that helped a little bit and answered his question, and thank you for watching.